Hi, this is Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks for joining me today on a walkthrough on another one of our awesome boats. If you have any questions after this, please feel free to give me a call on my cell at 303-875-3988 or shoot me an email at nick.hutchinson@marinemax.com.
Here I am with our brand new 2019 230 SPX by Sea Ray. This is an amazing leisure boat built to the highest quality. Seats 13 people and weighs in at only 3,900 pounds dry. Great boat for running around the bay, getting out into the Gulf, doing a little bit of everything. With the sport hull, it rides very good. This particular one is outfitted with a optional 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard, making it plenty fast and plenty of get up and go for any kind of wake sport needs. We're loading the boat up with the 13 people it's rated for. And we'll jump up on side and I'll show you what the inside looks like. Here we are on board the 230 SPX. Up front of the bow, there's tons of room for lounging. We got 2 side lounges and then a seat for facing rearward. Also under every one of these seats is lots of storage on both sides. Down here you have an optional mount for a table. This one does come with, which I'll show you in a second here. Got Fusion speakers up front, storage under the floor, and then moving back here. First stop at the helm. This one comes equipped with a full Simrad touchscreen display. Your Fusion audio controls are right here. On the port side, we've got a compartment for a full head. Quite a bit of room in there actually. If you don't want the head option, you can also use it for changing room. Captain's chair on the port side, which will swivel around to face backwards. This large compartment here is for storage as well, long enough to hold skis or wakeboards in. Secondary table, subwoofer, more speakers in the rear. This is a drain. A lot of times can be used for a cooler. On the port side, we've got more storage. This is where the canvas is currently stored. On the rear seat, it comes with a cooler and a place to keep it. These are your steps leading back to the transom. Also storage behind every compartment there. On your side, the battery shut-off switch is easily accessible. But the batteries are located in the most rearward storage for ballast. This option comes equipped with a 300 horse outboard, making the place where the engine compartment is empty, which gives you tons of storage. To open it, simply pull the release right here. Sun pad opens up on hydraulics to give you lots of storage for anything you could possibly need. Coming back to the swim deck, you can see there's still plenty of space back here, even with the outboard on both sides. And we've also got a telescoping swim ladder that extends from the bottom and telescopes into the hull.